driving off.
Why are you grabbing me? You're just a cop. You're not all of you.
Do not fight me.
All of you.
Do not fight me.
Cop abuse.
Stand up. Stand up.
Put me in the
Stand up.
ambulance. Get me away from it.
You're not fighting us. Just relax.
Get off me.
On July 4th, 2024, a woman was driving circles around the cinema area, which a police pulled her over due to suspicion. At that moment, the officer also noticed the female had an expired license tag.
Where you going?
I'm headed on my way home.
All right, my name's Officer Chastain with Milford Police Department. The reason I'm stopping you is you've been driving loops around Cinemark, which is very weird, but you got an expired tag and you got onto River's Edge Drive, okay?
Oh.
All right. If you will, do me a favor, keep the vehicle, park it, shut it off for me for a minute.
I was just driving off because I was trying to get the directions to go home.
Do you know how many loops you did?
Yeah, 3.
3? Okay. Are you under the influence of anything right now?
No.
No alcohol, no tobacco, no drugs, nothing like that?
No.
Keep that window up, please, for me.
I'm good. I got the directions to go home now.
Okay, well, they're not good. Keep it in park.
I got the directions to go home, so I'm good,
No, I need you to take your hand off of that.
sir. Sure, I've got the directions to go home. I'm good now.
She denies being under the influence of any drug, and when the officer asks her to exit the vehicle, she tries to drive off, leading to this.
Fort David 11, start me another unit.
Why are you grabbing me? Destiny!
Nope.
You grabbed me, Destiny!
That's it.
Why are you grabbing
Stop.
me?
You're not driving.
Why are you grabbing me? Why are you grabbing
You're not
me?
driving
Why
off.
are you grabbing me? You're just a cop! You're not safe! You're not safe! What do you think you are? Did you just in front of my dog? What the do you think you are? What the do you think you are, sir? What the do you think you are to do this? What the
Fort
do you
David
think
11
you
1.
are? What
I just one.
do you think you are, sir? What the do you think you are, sir? What the
Stop.
do you think you are, sir? It's me right now. I'm literally right in my room. What the do you think you are, sir? What the
Hello. That's fine.
What the help me! They won't get off of me!
Stop fighting. Stop fighting.
She was resisting arrest, kicking, slapping, way too much for one officer. Luckily, he got help by a random man.
Yeah, I got it.
Please help me!
What?
Get off of me!
Hold still. Nobody's gonna hurt you.
Get off of me!
Nobody's gonna hurt.
Oh, he's hurting me right now! He's hurting me right now!
Nobody's hurting
He's
you.
hurting me right now!
Nobody.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
I appreciate that.
Off of me! Get the off of me! You!
Do you have any weapons?
I don't have any weapons! You guys are hurting me! You guys are literally hurting me! You're hurting me right now!
Relax.
You just
Relax.
Where's my dog going right now?
I'm gonna try to get your dog if you don't.
You better call my mom and get that dog back in the house because I swear to God, unlock me and need to get my dog back home.
Have a seat.
What the you abusive motherfucker! You're hurting me! Ow! 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 Get off of me! You're hurting me! Get off of me! You're hurting me! Unlock this!
Resist.
Unlock this right now! Unlock this! You bitch ass! You think it's okay to hurt a woman?
You need leg restraint.
You think it's okay to hurt a woman? You think it's okay to hurt a woman? You think it's okay to hurt a woman like that? Yeah, because you're
Here.
so big, right? You can just hurt a woman like that. You're right. It's cool. It's cool for you to hurt a woman, right? Because you're a man, right? Because you're a man. Because you're so big. You're a cop. You're a cop. You can do whatever you want, right? You can do whatever you want. You can do whatever you want, right? You say, man. No, you can't. You're gonna live miserable in your soul knowing this is how you treat a woman. This is how you treat a woman. You grab a woman's head like that, but this is how you grab your wife's. I bet this is how you grab your wife's head. You just walk around at night, too, huh? I bet this is how you grab your wife's night. Head up for you tonight, huh? Because you're a sick, this motherfucker. Just like every other man in this world, you cops are
Dog growls.
You
I'm trying. Don't keep starting late.
What's his name so I can get to come to me?
Rocket!
Rocket?
Rocket, baby!
Come here, Rocket.
Rocket!
Come here, Rocket. Come here.
Why are you cracking me up?
Come here, Rocket. Hey.
You're a big man. You're
The woman was throwing a tantrum, but this is no reason for the police to grab her throat like that. Just because she insulted him, she was in distress and worried about her dog.
Fucking cop, you're a 43-year-old cop smashing an 18-year-old like that, huh? Who the fuck, how does that feel to you? How does that feel to you?
When the woman was shouting at the officer, he grabbed her by the throat, which is very unprofessional. Then the officers informed her she was under arrest for assaulting an officer. She continuously cried out for her dog, expressing concern for its safety.
How the f does it feel assaulting? Ah! Look at that! Take a picture of that, you bitches! You bitches! You bitches! Where's my dog? Where's my dog? Because I'm not sitting in here with my dog alone. This man just grabbed me and shoved me on the ground.
Terry made a traffic stop. Next thing you know, he's asking for help, and I can't hear it. They're saying that he's fighting with her.
I'm on the ground. I'm on the ground when he gets here.
When I get there, she's handcuffed.
And I'm on the ground. And then you grab me and throw me in the car. They grabbed me and put me on the ground. How am I supposed to calm down when an officer just grabbed me and said my dog got to lift my car? This arm. It's hurting me right here on my wrist because he stuck me in it. I'm done with you guys. I'm done.
Grab me!
Do not grab me.
You're not going to be seen by medical staff now.
I'm afraid. Get away from me!
Will you get up?
I want to see my mother.
Get up.
You asshole! Look how he's treating me! Look how he's
Stand up! Stand up!
This shit! Put me in the
Stand up!
ambulance! Get me away from him then! Ow!
Stand up!
Please, ma'am, please! Please, ma'am, please! Please, ma'am, please! Don't let him drive me back to this car! Please, ma'am! Ah! Ah! Get me the f*** away from you guys! Get the f*** away from you men! I don't want to be next to you! I don't want to be next to you! Please, ma'am!
Do what? Or something. Yeah, we're at Bigger Hospital.
Please get me the f*** away from you!
Yeah.
Get me the f*** away from you!
Hey, we're going to go in the squad.
Nobody thinks that it's okay he's grabbing me like
We're going
this.
to go in the squad, okay?
Why are you touching me like this?
Because
As a grown man.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Let me go with you then and stop getting my arms off of me. Get your arms off of me.
Just walk over here.
Get your arms off of me.
Walk over here.
Get your arms off of me.
I can't. You're not acting.
Get your arms off of me.
Come on.
You are not in control of me. This is so wrong. I can't. This is wrong that men have been treating me like this my whole life. And these police officers are just gonna abuse me. These police officers are abusing me right now. From you. It's from you, sir.
I haven't touched you.
When she was on the stretcher, an officer tries to get a photo of her, and she completely lashes out.
You! You! You too! You too! You abusive piece of shit, man!
Get those leg restraints. They got their own. That'll go on the clock. They got their own that'll go on the clock.
You! You're just gonna treat me like this, like you're gonna hold me down! You! All of you! The government! All of you! You guys all think that we're all just pieces of shit. You know what? Men are pieces of shit. When you guys die, I'm gonna laugh my asses off. You.
I've already said it 3 times. Oh, shit.
Stop.
Nigga, what? What you gonna do?
Do you guys have masks or something so she could stop trying to fight us? No.
I'll break that f***ing pinky.
You ain't gonna break it.
Grab it again. Grab it again. Grab my hand again, huh? Break my wrist, you bitch ass.
Ativan or something?
Yeah.
You little bitch.
Stop.
You little bitch.
Stop.
You wanna kill me, huh? You wanna
Stop.
kill me? You wanna kill a 13-year-old little girl?
Relax.
You think you're a big man, huh? You think you're a big man that wants to kill a 13-year-old? You wanna choke me out, choke me out.
I'm not even
I hate you when you're choking me out. You're choking me out.
Strap that seatbelt.
My mouth is f***ing shut, you bitch ass motherfucker. Ah!
You're not biting us. Just relax.
Get off me out! Ah!
I know.
Ah!
Watch your mouth.
Ah! Ah!
We don't have one.
I can't breathe.
Relax. You need to calm down. What's that?
Stop touching my head, and I'll get him down.
Relax, we do that.
I had spit
Okay, that's fine.
so bad. I needed some
That's
fucking
fine.
water.
That's not okay.
Yep, that's not okay.
We have a...
You're not okay treating a woman like this right now.
Here, double lock these.
You think it's okay to treat a woman like this, sir, huh?
Double lock it.
You think it's okay to treat a f***ing woman like this, huh?
How's that? Feel it? Make sure they're good.
Got my fingers in there.
Good.
You f***ing bitches. Get me in JDC ASAP. Give me the f***ing assholes.
How old are you?
Get the f*** off of me! How old am I to know that a man shouldn't treat a woman like this? I could be 10 years old and know that a man shouldn't treat a woman like this. You guys are awful men.
She was transferred to the hospital for evaluation. She was charged with resisting arrest, operating a vehicle under the influence, and assault on a police officer.